Hey guys, it's Mary Elise and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing another Amazon hair company called Amella Hair. So here's the packaging for the hair. It came in a similar packaging like the last wig, so I really was shook, you know? I didn't know Amazon did this. Like, hair companies on Amazon have it together. But as you can see, it came with a net, 2 hair clips, and of course some lashes. So yeah, let's get into the wig. So it came in this plastic bag. It was 20 inches, yes, to a little bit longer. It was a 20-inch 180 density wig, body wave wig, y'all. But it's something special about this wig, y'all. Are y'all ready? It got bangs. It has the bang yangs, okay? So yeah, this was super different for me. And this is how the hair looks straight out of the net, and it was so beautiful. It was curled all the way to the end, and here was the bang, y'all. The bang was there, honey. She was there. She was there and waiting for me. So there she goes. Now we're going to get into this cap construction. So the inside had 2 combs on the side, as you can see, and it also had another comb at the bottom, so a total of 3 combs, and it also had stretch. Now let's get into the wig.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, huh? Hold up, not the banging, the banging.
So yeah guys, so this is how the wig looked as soon as I put it on. As y'all can see, I'm just going ahead and brushing out those body wave curls, just because usually when you get body wave curls, it's like you have to style hair that comes in body wave, because body wave, you know, combed out after you install it, it's just like fluffy. And as y'all can see, the hair was fluffy. So the hair was super soft for one. Let's get into that. And it was super full because I was scared. You know, I'm always scared about the density of my wigs. I feel like they're going to be thin. But this was super full. And it wasn't frizzy. It was like full, but it was still put together, even though I brushed it out. So now as far as the bang goes, it was kind of long, but it was very full. So it wasn't thin. It didn't feel halfway done. You got a bang for real. And depending on your head shape is how long the bang is going to fall down on you. But you know, all it takes is a little cutting and you good. So yeah. So y'all, do y'all see this? All I did was straighten my hair. I didn't do anything to the bang, and all of a sudden, the hair just came together. Like I said, when you have body wave, you either want to put in more curls and actually curl it, you know, with a 1 curl, or you want to go ahead and straighten it. And I always just go for straightening just because it's just my thing, okay? So I did a little straightening on this wig, and it was so gorgeous. Like, do y'all see this? The length, it was full all the way down. 180% density was true. And yeah, the bang was still super long. As y'all can see, it was falling over my eyes, so I could not see.
I'm legally blind, I can see barely.
Like, it felt like some windows I was looking through with the bang, but it was still cute. And all you need, you know, was a few scissors. But I wanted to go ahead and just model the hair for y'all and show y'all the top of it. Y'all, look at the top. It was so full, like, and so flat and so seamless. And this is a non-lace bang, so you don't have to do anything to it but put it on your head and it's ready to go. So this was the before. And like I said, I've never had bangs before, so I kind of had to figure out how to finesse it in my own way. So I went ahead and cut it a little bit to be, you know, above my eyes. And I just went in to make it a little more wispier, thin it out a bit, just because I wanted a more, you know, thinner look and a little shorter bang. So that was my preference. If you want to keep it thick and full, you can. If you want to keep it long, you can. Do you and make it work for you. But all I did was just go in with some scissors and I just cut, and cut away. So after doing this was like one of my final outcomes. I did go in and cut more. Also, when I was cutting this hair, it was like falling all over my face. So if you see hair on my face, I apologize. It was just falling out, only because I was cutting it. So about shedding with this hair, I didn't get anything when I was running my fingers through it. It was working completely fine, guys. I love it. It was super soft. Like, this hair was soft, super soft and full. I already said that, but I had to say it again. So yeah. Here's part 2 of me going in, cutting more, fixing it, combing it, and pulling the hair out. But y'all, overall, this hair was so great. I'm gonna leave the link to it in my description box because this hair is super affordable. It is under $90 for a 20-inch, so that's really good. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go check out my other videos because I have been putting out hair reviews for this entire month of August, if y'all haven't noticed already. But you know, we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna go back to the makeup soon because I've been getting requests for that. So I'm so excited to show you guys what I have coming up. But make sure you stay tuned for my future videos. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a super duper 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 big thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, y'all. Like, don't be shy. Join the family. Bye, guys.